In this video, I'm going to show you how to create profiles in Safari on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you have the Safari browser as your favorite browser, you can easily switch between profiles here. Take for instance, I have a profile called adi.4a, this. Then if I click on this tabs icon, I will have access to all the adi.4a tabs here. But if I click on this menu icon, I will be able to switch between tabs. So come to profile here and select personal. Then click on done. Here you have access to all other tabs you open on your iPhone on iOS 18. That's why you see personal here. If you click on the personal button again, you will be able to switch the browser back to the previous one. Then click on this again. Then you'll be able to switch between browsers on iPhone on iOS 18. So I'm going to show you how you can actually create your Safari profile so that you can browse based on profile and store individual profile based on the information. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing to do, we want to create profile on Safari on iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. Then one on the settings page, just scroll down, click on apps. Then here, scroll down and click on Safari. You see that? Now, once you selected Safari, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to profiles. As you can see, I have two profiles here. Click on add new profile, then give the profile a name. So I'm going to say Safari profile. Just give it a name of your choice. Then after that, you should see the favorite settings as Safari. If you don't want that, just click on favorite and set favorite as favorite so that the new Safari profile will not be set as favorite. And here you want to select icon. Click on this three dot to show small icon. Then let's say here this is about coding. Select that. That's going to be the profile icon. Then choose the color like this. Then under settings again, come to open new tabs and then make sure start page is selected. After that, click on the done button at the top right. Then this is going to add a new profile to your Safari profile. Now go back to the Safari. Then on that page, click on this menu option and make sure you are on any of the profile page. And as you can see, I have 3 profiles on my Safari browser. So I can switch between these profiles. So you see, this is the color. This is going to give me the background color based on what I selected. Then choose again, switch this, then again. This is going to give me the background color based on what I selected. So this I can actually create a profile on Safari on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.